Hello, today I'm going to show you the Lunvon wireless Bluetooth speaker. Color changing bulb. Smart RGB LED light bulbs. Mood lighting with app remote control. Memory function 7 main colors. Over 16 million supported colors for home and of course for party at home. Yeah, let's set up Android system. Just need to connect the Bluetooth function with your electronic device system. iOS system, because of iOS technology limited, this bulb need connected 2 times. First step, connect the Bluetooth function with your electronic device system, control voice. Second step, connect the app Bluetooth function, control color change. And after this, you are able to remote the bulb. Smartphone controlled app. Scan the QR code on the product to download the app. Or you can manually search for CHS Smart Bulb. It supports Android 2.33, iPhone 4S with iOS 7.0 or later versions. Your iPhone, iPad can be used to play music as well as control the lamp at the same time. Music playing with Bluetooth and Multicolored Connect easily, and the built-in Bluetooth speaker enable you to enjoy music anywhere. Play music from the app or your usual program and have the bulb change colors automatically. Smart LED bulb can convert 7 main colors over 16 million supported colors, plus warm and cool white. You can choose your favorite color for each situation to surround you in your room at home. There are some smart functions on board. The smart light bulb can play your music, match the lights to the music. Has a normal white light mode, can adjust the brightness, can be renamed and can set at time in the app. Switch off or on, wake up to your favorite music and color of come home with lights already switched on. Applicable for any household, hotel, shop, etc. Great sound effect. The high quality speakers in that the bulb will play back your music with an amazing clear sound and enhanced bass. With 2-in-1 design, these speakers will not use any space and therefore saves you space in your apartment. Your friends will be amazed where the music comes from, because it comes from a bulb. This is really awesome. ABS and PC fire resistant mattress, high quality warranty. That is nice and easy to use. The E27 socket ensures easy installation and good compatibility to all bulbs. It can support a wide range of Bluetooth and wireless audio configuration files and will be compatible with a device that has Bluetooth function, included iPhone and iPad, of course. And as shown, I am using an iPhone X, and this is really nice. I like it to have sound out of the bulb, light out of the bulb, and I can have a smart bulb by using this awesome app. It's easy to use, easy to install, and it is energy saving because it's LED technology inside. Additionally, the wireless Bluetooth speaker supports a transmission range up to 10 meters. This is a nice and good range for this device. The Bluetooth 4.0 plus EDR enhanced data rate improves the purity and sound quality of voices and musical instruments based on DSP technology. It will definitely bring you infinity you from the combination of light and music. And take care. At home, you have to search or use the Bluetooth Spot CH Smart Bulb. This is your bulb with the smart functions. And take care, in the iOS system you have to connect it to the Bluetooth, and after this you have to connect it inside the app. Then it will run easily and great. On Android you only need to connect by Bluetooth and the app in one time. And you can see you can make so different and easy to use settings inside the app, and it is a nice and high quality product. I think it's really nice. I used it, as you can see, and I like it. Thumb up for this device. And now in this century we are able to hear music out of boobs, and we can have so many different setups and so many different types of colors out of one bulb. This is awesome because I'm an old guy. I know the old bulbs, and these are the smart bulbs. I'm a fanboy of these things. Smart home, we are coming. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. And here you can see setup for wake up and setup for shut down this bulb. Okay, soon. Thank you.